58% of all nursing home residents whose care is being paid for by Medicaid. Many of those people were part of the middle class until they spent down their savings to pay for the cost of long-term care. What will these seniors currently being helped by Medicaid do if Medicaid is cut by a third as called for in the Ryan budget? These people are our neighbors. Will seniors' families be expected to mortgage their homes and put their life savings on the line to pay for their parents' long-term care? Ms. Boockvar, do you support this part of the Ryan budget?
I don't. You know, I mean, I could say again, I mean, you know, again, look, how many questions have we had? And how many of them are about Social Security, Medicare, and Medicaid? This is such a crucial issue, and I can't, and I'll just say, you already know where I stand, right? I completely oppose these cuts to Medicaid because they are absolutely hitting those most vulnerable in our society, and it's crazy. And frankly, you know what? You know what's going to end up happening? We actually pay far more when people get care in the emergency room at the end of the spectrum, get, you know, preventative care that they should have gotten at the front end. When they get it at the end in the emergency rooms, we pay for it. We pay far more for that than if they're getting their coverage to begin with. And, you know, how many, I think something like 20,000 of our residents in the 8th District, their emergency room visits were covered by Medicaid in the last year. And there are thousands of Bucks County, Montgomery County residents whose nursing homes are being paid for by Medicaid. We are going to end up with a catastrophe if we make these cuts to Medicaid. So I absolutely oppose the Ryan budget's actions or proposed actions on this. And I ask you, if you also oppose it, which I hope you do, please talk to your neighbors, talk to the community, because as I was saying, there's so much misinformation out there about the Ryan budget, about Medicare, Medicaid, and healthcare, and it's going to get worse because of the super PAC influx of money over the next 50 days. So please make sure you're out there talking to people about what the Ryan budget does and doesn't do, and that it hits and hits and hits those most vulnerable. Thank you.